Hi y'all, it's Beth Aidlott here, your instructor for Writing 122. Welcome to week 1. This course, Argument Research Multimodal Composition, I realize it's not your elective, it's not your choice. You're taking it because it's required. My job is to make it worth your while. And you will, I hope, let me know if ever it's not worth your time and energy. By now, I hope that you've looked over the introductory material, in particular the Getting Started and the syllabus. I realize that almost all of us are familiar with online classes now with the pandemic, but you might want to also look up, if this is your first online class, just to get a sense of what resources Lane has for us. Also, I would suggest that you look at due dates for the term so that you can plan the entire term from now until the winter holidays. The only required text we are reading is Dave Eggers' The Circle. It's science fiction, maybe. I hope you find it interesting. It's about social media. I chose the topic. I think I've told you this before because it's something that's so relevant to our day and age. And I think everybody has an opinion about it and we can discuss it. Now, this week, the last day for a full refund is Sunday. So bear that in mind if you want to get out of any of your LCC classes. Now, I'm asking you to read the first 27 pages of The Circle. If you have difficulty finding it, please let me know. I might be able to round you up a copy. I have told you different places you can find it in the bookstore, in the libraries, online services. You can find an e-copy, but let me know. Let me know. I am talking about it here. I even have a trailer for the movie. You don't have to look at that if you don't want to. And then the activities, all our deadlines this term will be on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, always. I think that's easiest for online classes. You will not have anything due any other day but Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. This week, because we're beginning on Wednesday, you'll have 2 assignments due on Friday and no, actually I'm wrong. I'm sorry. 1 on Friday and 2 on Sunday. You have the forum that's due on Friday and Sunday, and then your first writing assignment, a personal narrative, that is due on Sunday. Notice also I have a diagnostic grammar quiz. I haven't mentioned this before. It's only 5 questions. You don't have to take it. It's not going to be graded. It's not going to be recorded. But anybody who is in any doubt whatsoever about your grammatical expertise, you might want to look at it just to kind of see what's happening before the term gets started completely. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help you.